Hello, myself Deepak Ojha, and I'm founder and director of Vencedor Logic Private Limited. We are into freight forwarding and international logistics business, and it's been like 2 years. We are catering shipments and export import documentation for our customers. And when we started, we it was a concern that how our communication, how our IT service would be. Upon that, most of our service depends, which we facilitate to our customers. So we met with Mr. Veer Singh of Smile IT Solutions, and he have formulated all the hosting and server hosting and website maintenance. So he managed the things for us, and from that time to now, it's going really good. Whenever we feel any concern about our IT product or how to enhance the performance of our IT server website, so he always and his team is always there for us, and solution is fast. They reply over all our concerns, and that's what we need from a partner who can you know, enable us to grow faster, and who can support us to win more business in the market and do a business hassle free. That is what we always look forward, and not just in our industry. I think we all need kind of ID solution where we not need to worry about this part, and we do our own fundamental things nicely. So it is a splendid experience with Smile IT Solutions, and they are doing really great. And thank you for all your support, and keep supporting us in future as well. Thank you very much.